Fuck off.
But you can't now because you fucked it up because we've gotten in your head. You've been flooded, bitch. You just got glassed.
Thank you for calling Autopart. This side, Daniel. Can I help you?
Is it possible to go through you? I'm trying to get a brake pad for a 2020 Acura TLX, and the dealers are going to charge me way too much. Go ahead, please. Guess you knew my voice. It's about as serious as I get.
Thank you for calling up. This is Jaden Smith. How can I help you today?
Jaden, listen to me. Are you selling volcanoes? I really want to purchase a volcano and put it in New York City. I don't think we've ever had a volcano here. Go ahead, please. It's a great idea, right? We can have candy come out every now and then, like little Dove candy bars. Oh, Dove? Dove is an amazing company, too. They don't just make soap. They make candy, too. Did you know that? How do you wash soap? What are you supposed to do with a soap bar? I mean, I'm cleaning my dirty body, but then I have to use the same bar the next day? Should I buy another bar of soap to clean that soap? Do you sell that? Do you sell other bars of soap? What do you got going over there? Fuck you, Jaden.
Thank you for calling Autopart. This side, Kevin Williams. How can I help you today?
Listen, you know if you want to be my lover, you got to get with my friend. You know that, right?
Thank you for calling Autopart. This side, Clay. How can I help you?
This side, Clay, listen to me. I'm trying to purchase a volcano for New York City. We don't have a volcano here. I'm trying to help the tourism. It's been down 50% since COVID. Can you help me get a volcano here? Please?
What do you want to purchase, sir?
A volcano, like right in the middle of New York City, like a great big volcano. I don't want to hurt anybody, you know, like not lava or anything poisonous. Like every month we can have like a new theme. 1 month it could be bit of honey. It just erupts and like thousands of bit of honeys just explode all over New York City. And then another day you can do turbines, you know, like 1 million turbines just shoot from this magnificent volcano. Free turbines for everyone. Go ahead, please. Possible?
Yes, sir. We will be sending you and selling you the volcano.
A volcano? You're going to send me a volcano?
Thank you for calling Amazon. You're speaking with Max. How may I assist you?
Hey, Max, listen, do you know anybody that would be available to go on film, on camera? I want to start a website. It's called SneezyOnly.com, and all they do is sneeze. The Rundys just have to sneeze, and we rake in the dollars, you see? I'll split it with you. Sneeze porn. Have you ever heard of such a thing? Go ahead, please.
To Max from Amazon. So do you have
Absolutely, Max. I know what you're involved in. You can help me. We can make a lot of money with this idea. SneezesOnly.com or something like that. We can make a fortune. Give me some Rundys. You know, just to watch them sneeze all day with their socks on. We can make money. Sneeze porn is where it's at.
You want to watch Rundy?
Go ahead, please.
Sneeze all day.
Rundy sneezing all day. How hot would that be? We can revolutionize the porn industry. You know what I'm saying? No more scamming. No more going to work in a shitty call center. No more being poor from the streets of Calcutta. No more having to scam innocent people that work hard. No more taking their money. You could sleep good at night. Me and you, we could be like the Larry Flint of the sneeze industry. I need a partner. Me and you.
Thank you for calling.
Thank you for calling support. This is David. How can I help you?
Hey, I'm hoping you can help me. So I was talking to Max before. We were going to start a little business, but somebody else in this chat thing that I belong to, we were talking, I think it was Sneeze Hub. I think Sneeze Hub is a better word for it rather than Sneezy fans. I think more people
This call
will
is
go to
being
Sneeze
recorded.
Hub. We want to look at... Hello? Hello?
The recording has stopped.
Fucker.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
I don't know what that was. Are they recording this for
call is
YouTube and
being
training
recorded.
purposes? Something's going on. This call's being recorded.
Yeah, we're not.
Listen, I don't want them to steal my idea. They cannot steal my idea. I know. I'm calling Amazon, right? I'm looking for help. .com. We can make a fortune with this. You just got to provide me some rundies. Maybe that girl Nicole who works in your office. I don't know. Does she look good today? Is she wearing like a tight sari? Like, would they pay money to watch her sneeze? Just watch her sneeze all day long. Go ahead, please.
Okay.
You can put.
So how can I help you?
You can get. Well, I thought we had that worked out. Now we're going backwards. I'm trying to let you know. I'm trying to let you know.
How can I help you?
Yeah, criminal.
Okay.
You're an idiot.
How can I help you? Yes, I am criminal.
You
yes,
can.
I am criminal. Where is your
you
mother?
can stop pretending you work at Amazon. How about that? Why don't you help me? Stop pretending to work at Amazon.
I am Jeffrey Bezos.
Get a job. No, you pretend to work at Amazon because you have no life.
My job.
You have no life. You need to pretend to work at Amazon. You know nothing about Amazon. You're an idiot, a criminal. Go take a glass of water and fuck yourself.
AT&T Technical Help Desk. This is William. How are you doing today?
Oh my God, you sound so ridiculous. So funny. Can you say that again, please, in that voice? I'm laughing over here. Go ahead, please.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, there we go.
Can you hear me?
There we go.
Hello.
Hey, can you help me build a volcano? I want to build a turbine-firing volcano in the middle of New York City. Free turbines for everyone. Go ahead, please. It's a brilliant idea. New York has never had a volcano before. Go ahead, please.
Thank you for getting connected to AT&T Technical Help Desk. This is William. How are you doing today?
William, do that again. I had to call you back just to hear you say that again. Do it one more time, please. Go ahead, please. No? Go away, please.
Come on. Come.
Your voice is so funny. You have to know that, right? Go ahead, please. Where did you go? Are you taking more helium? What are you doing?
Thank you for getting connected to AT&T Technical Help Desk. This is Derek. How are you today?
You sound funnier than William. Are you sure you're not William? You sound funnier too. What are you guys doing over there? Are you passing around like a helium tube or something?
Thank you for getting connected to AT&T Technical Help Desk. This is Derek. How are you today?
Derek, we got disconnected. I was asking you, are you sucking up helium for lunch? What are you doing over there? You got like a curry-flavored helium? What are you doing?
My name is Eric. How are you doing today?
Doing good. How are you? Just calling you back. We keep getting disconnected. My fault. I'm a terrible person, right?
No,
I'm a filthy American. I need to just be scammed. It's good for me to be scammed by Indian criminals that work in call centers that pretend to work for AT&T.
Thank you for getting connected to AT&T Technical Help Desk. My name is Marcus. How are you doing today?
Marcus, what would you do with a panda bear? If somebody gave you a panda bear, what would you do with it? Like, you can't really cuddle with it. They're cute, but they will fuck you up.
I'm going to take my dick and shove it into your mother's pussy. I'm going to take my long dick and shove it into your
You're so mad. It will never reach from India to New York. You're so mad.
New York? What do you do in New York? What do you do in New
York?
York?
I call idiots like you.
You call idiot?
I call
and I fuck your mother like
long.
idiot. And I fuck your mother like idiot.
Yeah, of course. There we go. The first bomb joke of the day.
Jesus Christ? You got fucked by the Jesus Christ, and then you
You're
were born.
so predictable. You realize that all the other Indian criminals say the same insult as you? You realize that, right? You're not even original.
You guys are getting fucked
by the Jesus Christ? Be an original criminal.
How your mother was born? How your mother was born?
Your mother was the mom, right? Hey, one day 1940's going to call you, and they're going to come looking for all the mom insults.
David, I'm assist you.
I'm calling about the zebra. Are you selling zebras?
No.
Hello, motherfucker.
What do you want, bitch?
Hello, motherfucker.
Yeah, you said that already. What are you, a parrot? That's all you know how to say? Besides, give me gift cards, give me gift cards. There we go again. That's 3 times. You should go to like page 2. You might learn something new. Turn the page, man. You might learn a different word.
Get the fucking clue.
You're the one who's sitting there getting flooded with nonsense. Right? I mean, you're not making any money. Your boss is going to be pissed. Want me to talk to him? I could talk to him.
He's gonna fuck your wife.
I can buy you and your boss with what's in my pocket. I was going to buy cigarettes, but you know what? Maybe I'll quit smoking and just buy you guys. Stupid fuck.
We have already bought your wife.
No, but you don't. You can't even. You have no money. You can't even leave Delhi. You're going to be stuck there your whole life.
We're gonna fuck your whole life.
You're not going to do anything. You can't do anything. I'll give you my exact address. I'm not even scared. I mean, you're a criminal, but just because you're wearing a turban, I mean, doesn't mean I shouldn't be afraid of my life. You're a criminal. You'll do anything for money, and I got money. But I'll give you my address, but you can't even afford to leave Delhi. You're not coming to New York.
I'll give you your address. You come. You have guts, right?
You got what?
I'll give you my address. You come here. If you have guts. If you have balls of steel, come here.
Yeah, I do, and I will come there, but I'm not coming there now. You got too much COVID in your air. And plus, I can't. I don't know if I can make 19 hours without a cigarette.
There's a reason you're a fucking fool.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. I really don't. I want to understand you, even though everything that comes out of your mouth is a lie. I mean, you've been lying to people for so goddamn long. You don't know what's the truth and what's not. You're a scammer.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Right.
There's a reason we come here to fuck you.
But you can't do anything, and you're a little bitch. Like, if I saw you in person, you'd be afraid. You would never admit to what you're doing.
Wow.
Yeah, you're a little bitch. You can be anyone you want on the phone. I would slap the fuck out of you, actually, except the reason I won't do that is I don't want to get in trouble for animal abuse.
Go fuck yourself, bro. You're a fucking dumbass. You're fucking scared.
Yeah, you're the criminal who makes no money, wastes all your time. I'm the rich guy that doesn't even work right now, but I'm the dumbass. Right. You have all the logic.
Yeah.
You have all the logic, man.
Bro.
Yeah, you can sit there and say, yeah, bro, I fuck your mom, but you're still poor, you're still in India, you're going nowhere, you're a fucking loser, and you hurt innocent people. Go ahead, please.
That's how we fuck Americans.
You fuck Indians too, bro. There's Indians in America that get scammed. And Australia, and England. It's not just Americans. You're just a scammer. You would steal from anybody.
Fuck America. No, we steal only Americans.
Yeah, but you're just being stupid. No, you're being stupid. You don't even mean that. You don't even know what you're saying. Do you realize that Americans just gave your country all this money for COVID? We care so much about you.
Fuck Joe Biden.
You wouldn't be saying that.
Fuck Joe Biden.
If you were smart, you wouldn't say that. But you're not smart.
Fuck Biden. Fuck Biden.
Yeah, right.
Fuck Lincoln.
Right, but
fuck
right,
you.
but
fuck off, mother.
Yeah, you're so stupid. You're so mad. You're so mad and angry at the world that you would say those things.
Help desk. My name is Marcus. How are you doing today?
Are you giving a discount on Volcanos? Somebody told me to call you. You're running certain promotions right now. I want to put a Volcano in downtown New York City. Go ahead, please.
That's funny. You're a fucking joker. That is funny.
So you can help me?
Why you behaving like you wanted to be an actor, but didn't got any chances? You want to be a joker?
Should I pretend that I work at AT&T? Would that be better for you? Should I pretend every day to go to work at a company I know nothing about?
You can just join us, alright? But first of all, listen to
I can be a scammer too? I can be a scammer too?
Thank you for getting connected with AT&T Technical Help Desk. My name is Troy. How are you doing today?
Hey, we got disconnected. I was just asking if you had promotions running on volcanoes.
Thank you for getting connected to AT&T Technical Help Desk. This is Jordan. How are you doing today?
Hey, are you still running the special on volcanoes? I want to put a volcano in New York City. Go ahead, please.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes?
Yep, go ahead, please. If you want to be my lover, you got to get with my friends.
No, I'm not.
Go away, please.
Go to hell.
Go away, please. Go away, please.
No. Please go to hell.
Go away, please. Go away, please. I'm blocking your phone
All
number.
right,
Do not call me anymore today. Okay, fucker? Do not call me anymore today. Okay, criminal?
Bitch. Okay, bitch.
Go get a job.
Bitch.
Go get a job. Stop hurting innocent people. Fuck you. Take a glass of water and fuck yourself.
Just go to
I
hell,
will, but when I get back, I'm coming for you.
Hello?
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 Hi, sir.
Namaste.
Hi, sir. Are you looking for any personal loan?
No, I'm just looking to mess with some scammers and trying to stop them from hurting innocent people. Is that okay?
You bloody fucker. You are the scammer. You are the scammer.
Why? I'm scamming people that scam other people. I don't understand your logic, sir.
Yeah.
Explain me. Explain me. You...
How can I help you?
Oh, Mother Chode. How are you, Mother Chode?
Hindi mein Thanks for calling Livestream. This is Alex. How may I help you?
That's adorable. You thought I was going to be a victim. Nope. Me again, bitch. You just got glassed. Hang up the fucking phone.
What?
Rundy?
Lundy?
There you go. What else you got for me? You going to say mean things about my mom again?
No.
Go ahead.
No, I will.
Oh, are you going to be nice?
Say mean thing about. Why will I say mean thing about mom when you know that your mom is already so much bitch? Oh, there's no words are not enough, for your mom, because it's too much whole shit.
Keep going.
Keep
keep going.
The whole shit.
Keep going. Keep going.
Dab it, babe.
Keep going.
Dab.
Keep going.
Dab. 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 Dab.
She's a filthy American, right? My mom is a filthy American.
Yep. Now watch me whip. Your mom is ho. Your mom is ho. Your mom is ho. Shut the fuck up.
Okay.